Alright, this will be one of the pedestrian bridge elevators along International Drive here in Orlando, Florida. This one serves the Hyatt Regency right there. This KONE EcoSpace, but it's got the blue, which is nice. You don't see that every day. Here it is.
That's drive too.
Oh, but it is glass. Nice. Alright, let's go to 2.
Don't replace buttons on this one.
Yeah, there's one right there.
Chicken pasta Alfredo.
Can't really see much out there anyway.
Yeah. It's not a particularly good view.
Back on the 1?
Even in the day, it's just International Drive, which isn't like a giant.
Yeah. Muffled voice.
You want to go again? Click here.
Yeah, let's go again. This time I'll watch the number going upstairs.
There's another one on the other side of the bridge if you really want, but...
Yeah. I'll take this back down to 1. Oh, you're good. Watch the number change. We'll attempt to look out the window going back down. And you're at 1.
Yeah.
There's International Drive.
Convention Center right there. The West Hall of the Convention Center.
There goes the elevator, and that'll be it. Alright, I am here on top of one of the pedestrian bridges along International Drive. There's Will right there. And there's the second elevator right here to ride. It's another KONE EcoSpace with the blue buttons and lantern. Another glass elevator. Let's go to 1. That's cheap.
Modern build quality.
Yep. Sorry, the view is so great since it's nighttime out. Back up to 2. Didn't talk that time.
Weird.
We'll take it.
It's like going down.
Yeah, we'll take this for one more ride down to the first floor.
And
We'll get our cat view.
We'll end up on 2.
Yeah. There's Will right there. Oh, a very basic KONE elevator.
Indeed.
I do like how this is glass, but you won't see much out there, especially during the nighttime.
Even during the day, it'd be kind of a big view.
Funds cast is 570. Certificates. Floating carrier capacity is 2,500. This is elevator number 2. And now we'll end up on the second floor. We'll try and look out the window going upstairs.
You can't see anything, you might need glasses.
Yeah. You can't really see much out there because it's dark.
I think there's a McDonald's over there, that's about it. Alright.
Alright, I guess we'll end it up here. Overall,
There we go.
there's the chime. Alright, it's not the most exciting elevator, other than it being glass. And there it goes, and that'll be it.